Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into Oppo A96. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Convenience Tools option. Here choose screen recording option, and now first option block, it will be sound option. So first option, record system sound, and next record microphone sound. And for example, this like green position of switcher, it's activate this option, and this like gray, it's turn off this option. And for example, if you wanna turn on record microphone sound, tap it, tap OK, and it's activate. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.